Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Khaerunnisa. I am from 12 Science Club. In here, I will explain to the rainfall text. Rainfall. Rain is one of the main source of fresh water for almost all people on the world. This provides stable conditions, diverse ecosystems. This is also used as hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigations. But do you know how rain happens? The rain phenomenon is actually what we call as water cycle. The concept of the water cycles involves the sun hitting the earth, the surface water, and causing the surface water to evaporate. Then the water vapor rises into the Earth's atmosphere. Water in the atmosphere is cooled and condenses and fall into liquid droplets. The droplets grow bigger and heavier and fall into the Earth's precipitations. However, not all rain can reach the surface of the earth. Some evaporates while falling through drying out, this is what we call Khaerunnisa. The phenomenon which is often seen in hot and dry desert regions. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.